Welcome, curious minds, to the channel that unravels the mysteries of the human psyche. This is Why Do We? Your gateway to understanding the inner workings of our thoughts. Today, we embark on a mind-bending exploration to answer the question, why do we think our thoughts control us? So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to journey into the realm of our cognitive marvels. Imagine this: you're sitting alone, lost in your thoughts, when suddenly you begin to wonder, who's really in control here? On this channel, we dive deep into the captivating world of our inner musings and examine why we often feel as though our thoughts hold the reins of our lives. To understand why we perceive our thoughts as controllers, we must confront the illusion of control. Our minds have an innate need to make sense of the world around us, seeking patterns and explanations. But sometimes, this quest for control leads us to mistakenly believe that our thoughts hold ultimate power over our actions and experiences. Beliefs, the mighty architects of our thoughts. Our next stop on this enlightening journey explores the profound impact of our beliefs on our perception of control. From childhood conditioning to societal influences, our beliefs shape the lens through which we view ourselves and the world. It's through these belief systems that our thoughts can assume the role of puppeteers, pulling our strings. Now, let's venture into the enigmatic realm of our internal dialogue. We all have that little voice inside our heads, the constant narrator of our lives. But have you ever questioned who's really in charge? Our thoughts often masquerade as dictators, persuading us to follow their lead, shaping our emotions, and influencing our decisions. But are they truly the ones in control? Brace yourselves as we unravel the intricate dance between emotions and thoughts. It's a fascinating tango where emotions lead and thoughts follow. Our emotions can be powerful catalysts, triggering a cascade of thoughts that seem to dictate our every move. But, my friends, is it possible that our thoughts merely reflect the currents of our emotions, rather than controlling them? Our final destination on this introspective odyssey brings us to the transformative practice of mindfulness. By cultivating a non-judgmental awareness of our thoughts, we gain the power to observe them without succumbing to their influence. Mindfulness allows us to witness the ebb and flow of our thoughts, reminding us that we have the ability to choose which thoughts we engage with and which we release. Subscribe to Why Do We? And unlock the secrets of your inner world. Together, we'll embark on a journey of self-discovery, redefining the boundaries of our thoughts, and harnessing the true power within us. Until next time, my fellow seekers of wisdom, keep questioning, keep exploring, and embrace the wonder of why we think our thoughts control us.